Hi, everyone. Welcome to the next episode of Clinical Research Simplified. Today, we are going to deep dive into how AI is changing the landscape of clinical research jobs. First thing first, let's start with why AI and what does it do when it comes to clinical research. In simpler terms, AI is a technology where machines are trained and designed in such a way that they can gather the information, scavenging all information available on the net and think like human. And that's where the term large language model derives from. Now, why they are important in clinical research? AI since couple of years had made so much evolution, so much contribution, right from drug manufacturing process to the way we are recruiting the patients, the way we are monitoring the sites, the way we are collecting the data, analyzing the data, and everything in between. Even AI is important for the end stage of clinical research, that is, to make and craft clinical research reports. Why is it so important for you as you are searching the jobs, or you might be new to the industry of clinical research? First, AI is changing the way we work, not only in clinical industry, but in all the industries. So the work which are mundane, monotonous, and which are kind of administrative will be taken care by AI. There's no need for us now to do the Excel entries or even to program, because those who don't know how to code can write programs with the help of AI tools. AI is changing the way imaging is done in clinical research. AI is changing the way how we are collecting the centralized monitoring data. It gives the analysis within seconds of what's going on the site, how many countries are performing in the protocol, and what's the compliance level. It's a tool which gives ev- everything an oversight from the eagle eye view. Let's talk why you should worry it in your job role. First, it is going to change the way we make protocol. It is going to change the way we recruit patients. It is going to change the way we collect the data, vital signs, we fill the CRF, and the way we monitor the trial, the way we oversight the trial. Even recent guidances of FDA, EMA, and all regulatory authorities indicate the use of AI. They encourage the use of digital tools and techniques to reduce the burden from sponsors, CRO, and stakeholders and ensure the quality and compliance on the site. But here's the good news: what AI cannot change or what AI cannot do, and that's where you need to work upon. AI cannot work on patient interactions. So if your role is on this site and you are interacting with the patient, for an example, CRA or CRC, then your role is safer, because AI cannot interact with patient. Human beings would never like to interact with the AI bot or chat bot or AI machine when they want to discuss the intimate information of their disease status or their vital signs or how they are feeling, their pain level. They always want to discuss with humans. And that's where the second skill will come into play: communication. You should have the ability to communicate and articulate in a way that makes an impact. You should be able to navigate the communication pathway either with patients, or if you are in corporate doing the jobs which require you to sit and work on a laptop, Communication is a key in any clinical research job. So, first thing you need to polish your patient interaction skill. Second thing you need to polish is your communication skill. Third thing, AI cannot think. AI can only search the data which is available on the internet and answer the data which is there. It cannot create the data. So, your ability to think, solve the problem by critical thinking is never going to be replaced by AI. So, create a habit to solve the problems using critical thinking. You may be finding lot many options available free on internet that how to solve problems with critical thinking. Start doing those problems. Start thinking technically. What are the challenges in clinical trials? What you can contribute by doing the critical thinking? How innovatively or creatively you think so that the project does not hit the roadblock, which AI can never do. Fourth thing, which AI can never replace, is our ability to empathize with our patients and our ability to see the data from the lens of humanity. AI can only give you the logical conclusion, but in our industry, where we are dealing with lives of people, we need to have the empathy. AI can never have empathy. So you need to be authentic. You need to have empathy with the patient. When you are discussing with any stakeholder, you just not need to discuss or send an email, whatever chatbot or any AI tool has written. You need to humanize those conversations and you need to send them in a human way rather than what AI has given. One another thing which AI cannot do is leadership and collaboration. Inspiring teams make people do work in a way that they work towards a single goal collectively. AI can never do that. And that's the most important skill that we all need leader and we have to become leaders, human leaders, not someone who's taking the inputs from AI. So sharpen your leadership skill. If you have a project, try to be proactive and lead the project because that will differentiate you from someone who's just using the AI, but you will shine as a leader. And the last point which AI cannot do is adaptability. AI cannot adapt. Clinical research is a field where you find surprises each and every day. Humans can adapt quickly to new challenges, new protocols, new amendments, new study plans, new instructions, new policy, new manuals, but AI can never do that. So we as human need to have the tendency to be flexible and that you can achieve only when you have the technical expertise. So go through each and every regulatory requirement. Go through ICH GCP document, go through the material which indicates the therapeutic area, go as deep as you can rather than superficially. So the more knowledge you have, more you will be able to adapt and you can move and change the lane in the industry of clinical research. So remember, AI cannot replace your communication skill, leadership skill. AI can never replace the critical thinking ability. AI will never replace adaptability, and AI cannot replace your empathy. One thing to remember here that AI is here to stay. You cannot fight with AI. You need to go along with AI. It's not about AI versus human, but it's always about how AI with human will work. And that's where you need to learn the basic skills of AI. You need to do certification courses of AI. You need to understand how AI models work, integrate them in your daily work, check how you can write effective email, check how can you make presentations, charts and graphs with the use of AI because AI is like assistant which helps you reduce the time of your work. So remember, AI is here to stay, but not to take your job. AI is here to assist you. You need to learn AI. So start learning AI. And if you focus on the things which we discussed in this video that AI cannot replace, and if you polish those skills, then you are definitely ready to go long way from 2025. Thanks a lot. Let me know in the comments what you think of this video and the topic. Share me in the comments what other topics you want to share, and subscribe to the channel so this knowledge and free valuable insights can reach to more and more audience members. Thanks a lot. See you in the next video.